OT and HDH are both network standards for optical transmission. Here are some differences. Frame structure. OT has fixed frame sizes and different frame rates, but HDH has fixed frame rates and different frame sizes. OT has fixed frame sizes and different frame rates. HDH has fixed frame rates and different frame sizes. Frame repetition rate. HDH has fixed frame repetition rate of 8,000 frames per second. OT does not have any fixed frame repetition rate. HDH has fixed frame repetition rate of 8,000 frames per second. OT does not have any fixed frame repetition rate. Mapping lower speed signals. HDH requires all lower speed tributary signals should be synchronous with each other with high speed server signal. OTN does not need this. OTN does not need synchronization mapping lower speed signals. But HDH needs the synchronization for all lower speed tributary signals with each other with high speed server signal. Forward error correction. This is a major feature of OTN FEC forward error correction. It is a defined FEC that uses undefined edges bytes to transfer FEC check information. But basically FEC has the major FEC is major feature of OTN. Azon. Azon is DWDM based network that provides flexible transport services. Azon is DWDM based network that provides flexible transport services. Azons are optical transport networks that use a control plane to perform call and connection control functions. Azons aim to automate resource and connection management within network. Okay. Features of Azon. Dynamic connection capability. Azons use a control plane to perform call and connection control functions. Flexible services. Azons provide permanent soft permanent switched optical connections. Scalable. Azons can provide services directly on optical layer. Linear or ring network structure. Azons usually provide a linear ring network structures. Azons are DWDM device network that provides flexible transport services. Azons are optical network that use control plane to perform call and connection functions. It aims to automate resource and connection management within the network. Features are dynamic connection, flexible services, provide permanent soft permanent switched optical connections. Scalable. Azons can provide services directly on optical layer. Linear ring network structures. Azons usually provide a linear or ring network structures. WAZON is WDM. WAZON refers to the Azon technology oriented to WDM or OTN optical networks. WAZON in DWDM. WAZON refers to Azon technology oriented to WDM or OTN optical networks. WAZON. WASON. OTN and HDH are both network standards for optical transmission. Here are some differences. Frame structure. OTN has fixed frame sizes and different frame rates. HDH has fixed frame rates and different frame sizes. OTN has fixed frame sizes, different frame rates. HDH has fixed frame rates, but different frame sizes. Opposite. OTN has fixed frame sizes. HDH has different frame sizes. OTN has different frame rates. HDH has fixed frame rates. Frame repetition rates. HDH has fixed frame repetition rate of 8,000 frames per second. OTN does not have any fixed frame repetition rates. Mapping lower speed signal. HDH needs synchronization for mapping lower speed signals with high speed server signal, but OTN does not need FEC. OTN has FEC as a major feature. HDH has also defined FEC that is under undefined HDH bytes to transport FEC check information, but FEC basically is a major feature of OTN. Azon is a WDM based network provides flexible transport services. Azons are optical transport networks that use control plane to perform call and connection control functions. Azons aim to automate resource and connection management within network. Azon WDM based network that provides flexible transport services. Azons are optical transport networks use control plane to perform call and connection functions. Azon aim to automate resource and connection management within network. Provide flexible transport services means flexible means easy switching. Provide permanent soft permanent switched optical connections. Flexible means like this. Optical control means it uses control to perform call and connection control functions. Dynamic connection capability Jones use a control plane to perform call and dynamic call and connection control function. Flexible services thus provide permanent soft and switched optical connection. Scalable agents can provide services directly on optical layer. Linear ring switch agents can provide a linear ring network structure. WAGON refers to agent technology oriented to WDM or OTN optical networks. Tata Electronics acquires 100% stake in Wistron India. Tata Electronics acquires 100% stake in Wistron India. Tata Group unveiled the plan to acquire Wistron India officially on October 27, announcing it would pay $25 million for 100% equity stake for the company assembly lines. Deal is worth $750 million, inclusive of $550 million in corporate loan given by parent to Wistron India. Qualcomm to design 3 nanometer chip Reliant workforce as it embarks on expansion. Told by CFO Akash Palkhiwala. Qualcomm to design 3 nanometer chip Reliant workforce as it embarks on expansion. Tata Electronics acquires 100% stake in Western India. Thank you.